Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Eyeshadow Sweet. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to slay a red color using an eyeshadow that is red and a lipstick that is red and blush and everything. Just so for many of you who think that you can slay red, I'm going to show you how or the best way to do that. So first of all, I first use Vaseline to moisturize my lips because the weather is Hamatan now and it's my lips are dry. I don't want to add lipstick on a dry lip. So next I went in with my spoolie and brushed out, and now I'm going in with my Davidson by 18 eye pencil, and I'm just going to stroke it all out. So guys, sorry if you see me shaking because I have my baby tied to my back. She's trying to destroy, or should I say scatter everything on that I'm using for my makeup, and she's just disturbing. I don't know what's happening, so I have her tied to my back until she falls asleep, and I'll just drop her. So next I'm going to the other side of my brows, and I'll just do the same. So guys, just in case you see where I use Vaseline to brush out the other part of my brows, because I'm using the new techniques using my classic lashes glue, and I brushed the other side, and my baby didn't allow me to do that on time, so it dried up, so I had to use Vaseline to moisturize it. So I'm repeating that technique here, showing you guys so that you can see how I did the other side. So next I'll be going in with this Blending Pro concealer, and I'm just going to clean up the excess down, and I use my finger to tap that and blend it into my skin. So guys, after priming my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going in with this red lipstick, and I'll just make sure that I'm cutting from my eyelid exactly. I don't want it to go upward because I want my eyelid to be more sharper, like the red to be more sharp there. And now I'm going to go into my Gorgeous Me palette. After blending it with this brush that I'm showing, I'll just tap that in carefully just to make sure it's everywhere set. Now I'm going in with my Gorgeous Me palette, and I'll tap into this red, with this brush. This brush is naked brush, okay? It's cut naked, and it's very nice for eyeshadow application. So I'll just blend, not to have, I'm trying to avoid having like a hash line, so I'm trying. So next I'll be going in with this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush, very nice. So I'll be going into my crease areas with this burnt orange color and this two orange color. This is light orange color, and the other one look like a burnt orange color, and I'll just carefully blend at the top of it there, just to give it a nice finishing. And I actually went back again to tap on my red eyeshadow just to make everything okay. I didn't show that part because I wanted us to just move over to the next one. So as you can see now, I'm going in with my liner. This is a 2-in-1 eyeliner, and I'm going in, it has a mascara and an eyeliner. So to prime my face, I'll be using my 24K primer just to prime my face. And next for my wing line, because I have some extras, it's not really looking very sharp and neat, I'll just go in with my foundation. I'm going in with this 2-in-1 naked brush, and I'll just go with the angle, using the angle part just to clear off those other sides. And I have some extras, just to give it a very nice touch. And that is all for the eye look. I'll just allow you guys to watch throughout the video, okay? Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope it was very easy and understandable, and I hope you guys do like this look and can rock right now. I hope I'm able to convince you and not to confuse you that you can slay using red. Alright guys, tell me what you think about this look in the comment section below. I'll see you again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.